All right, Debbie. So what is it like to make $1,000 a day online or more? So that's what we're talking about here in this video. Real quick, let me just fuel up for an intense video. All right, so two new things. You can see here I'm trying to vlog a vlog style video. I've done a couple of these in the past, but a lot of you deadbeats out there have been asking for some more of these type videos. So we're gonna try that here today. Also, second new thing that I'm gonna try is I'm going to be giving away $30 to one top commenter on this video. So just comment below something related to this topic, and over the next 24 hours, I'm going to pick the winner, and the winner I will direct message on YouTube and send the PayPal money that way. So it's $30, one winner here today, no purchase necessary, just comment below, and you can potentially win the $30 in cash on this video. All right, today we're talking about what it's like to make $1,000 a day. Are there any lifestyle changes? Do you feel better? All right, so I hate to burst anyone's bubble. This is just my experience, and some people might experience differently, but there's really no difference between the feeling that you have when making, let's say, $200 a day to $1,000 to $3,000 or even $10,000 a day, which I've done all of that. So it's all the same. Nothing changes. And I know that's, and I was like, yes. Or with this channel, for example, I was like, when the channel reaches 100,000 deadbeats, it's gonna feel amazing. Like then I could feel like, I've accomplished something great. And it never really came. Now, with that said, there is small little bursts of that like internal satisfaction that you get knowing that if you put your mind on a goal, no matter how hard it is, and you focus and you're consistent with it, you can accomplish it. That's a real feeling. That's something that is a measure of, I'd say, self-confidence that really can't be taken away from you. Knowing that you can accomplish a goal that most people can't, which I believe anyone can accomplish any goal that they put their mind to. But actually achieving that does give you a certain level. It's almost like a badge that, you earn it. It's hard for it to be taken away. But that feeling of like, I have arrived, haha. That never really comes. And I think looking back though, I remember when there was one big win that I had that I was like, yes, I've arrived, haha. But that was just a way of your mind. Your mind has a way of playing tricks on you. What I've learned about being successful is that it's always fleeting. It's very fragile and it's always fleeting. So I see it all the time going to events. I'm just trying to get the best lighting here. I see it all the time at events. These young kids coming in, and I don't judge anyone because I've done the same thing. They're like going to these clubs. They're spending like thousands of dollars on, bottles of Grey Goose at affiliate summit. I've seen it time and time again. They're just blowing all this cash. And that's a lot of fun. Like, don't get me wrong. It was a lot of fun to do that with your buds. Like, just go into a club, get the VIP area and all that. It's fun stuff to do. In the end, it's a waste of money, and nothing comes out of it. Like the 2-3 hours of fun. It's a lot of fun, but it's not really worth it. Now, I know a lot of you young kids are out there like, I don't want to hear that. I want to do it. By all means, like if you want to experience that, do it. But in the end, it's not really worth it. The same goes with materialistic things. Everyone wants the Lamborghini. I was like that. I bought 2 Porsches. Complete waste of money. It was sure as hell a lot of fun though. But the way it works is, it's like you get a new toy, right? You get that when you're a kid. You buy this. You wanted this new toy. Your parents get it for you. Or someone gets it for you, and within like 3 days, you already forgot about it. The cars work the same way. Now, granted, it lasts a little bit longer. There's usually about a month or 2 where you're just like, haha, yes, I got a Porsche. It goes away just the same. Eventually, it sits in the garage, and then you're constantly worrying about it. I remember I realized that about those Porsches. I'm like, oh man, I wonder what's happening in my Porsche right now. Like I remember I went to the movies one time, and the whole time while watching the movie, I was like, I hope no one's out there like keying my car. So even though you have to like park it far away, so it really just becomes super stressful. But again, when you're that age, I know a lot of you guys out there like 17 to 25 or so. You want to be able to be like, look at me. I have so much abundance and resources that I can buy a ridiculous car. I mean, that's the thought process, because you obviously want to like attract, you want to attract mates and stuff, and that's one way to do it, which it works, by the way. It works, but after you get a certain age, you're just like, you know what I value more than that? I value being able to spend all my time reinvesting back into myself. And what I mean by that is, here's my little I call this my self-improvement beanbag. I'm always learning new stuff because it's important, especially when you have the ability to do that. As in, when you're making $1,000 a day or more, you can reinvest your time back in yourself. Where I'm going with this is that, let me just sit down here because I'm getting kind of tired. Oh God, I've got too much sleep. It looks like I'm a ghost. Where I'm going with that is, when you work for someone else, regardless of how much money you make, the issue is that you're constantly putting your time and energy into building someone else up. So yeah, you get some money out of it, but you never get the dividends back of investing in yourself. What I mean by that, for example, because I have the clarity and the peace of mind knowing that over the years I've built up a really good nest egg for myself and have a very good passive income businesses set up. Very good, that didn't make any sense. I have a lot of passive income online businesses set up. I can then spend my time and energy learning things that will continually make me more and more money. So you know how they say that the rich get richer? It's not because they have, this special privilege that other people don't do. And there is truth to that. When you do get more money, people treat you a little bit different. You get access to things you normally wouldn't get access to. But you build yourself up to that, and because they have their time and energy to reinvest back in themselves, that's why they get richer and richer, because they can read books like this, like Ben Graham's Security Analysis. Warren Buffett goes nuts over this book. So it's a hard book to read, but I know that because I can literally sit in my beanbag chair and just day in, day out, get smarter, learn more about money. I have the freedom and the lifestyle to be able to do that. All right, so you can do it too. It just takes continual focus and reinvestment back in yourself. If you're working a job, it can be done. It can be done. It's going to take a little bit of extra work for you, but it's possible. So if you want to start your own affiliate marketing business, if you want to potentially live this lifestyle too, now keep in mind, it's going to take work. It's going to take work, but it can be done. So I do have a free guide that will show you step by step how to get started regardless of your experience or how much money you have in the bank. It can be done. This is one of the few businesses that can be done for very little money. So get that. It's 100% free. It's at www.deadbeatuniversity.com/guide. Also, if you want to start a business on YouTube, I think video marketing on YouTube is totally where the next trend is going. I do have a system for that. It's tubetycoon.com. So YouTube, like I said, is what I believe to be kind of the next hot opportunity online. You can learn how to do that at tubetycoon.com. All right, with all that said, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that circle subscribe button right here and take the bell icon so you're notified of any videos that I release when I release them. Also, more videos about making money online here. Also, share this video with your friends. Comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, top commenter has a chance to win $30 in PayPal commissions, not commissions, cash, here today. I'll see you deadbeats later.